Like, subscribe and get notified.
The Goa Pradesh Youth Congress along with Mahila Congress expressed solidarity to the rape victim in horrific gang rape at Kasoli. Condemning the act, they demanded the government to take strict action on the matter and to introduce self-defense subject to all girls from 7th standard onwards for the safety of girls. They highlighted that there has been an annual increase in rape case and the state government have shown no initiative in curbing crimes.
Our women leaders from across Goa, they are here. Much has been said about the rapes happening in Goa, but there is no action. There is just words. And every single time there is abdication of responsibility. Pramod Sawant is the master of excuses. Sometimes he blames the victims themselves for getting raped. Sometimes he blames the religion of the rapists. Sometimes he blames that their ethnicity of the rapists, that they were from outside Goa, that's why they did it. But in the end, the buck stops where? He is the Chief Minister of Goa. He is sitting on the highest position of this state. When is he going to take responsibility?
Reality that Manusmriti has, which treats women as second-class citizens. And today we are seeing that these BJP leaders, this BJP government, under their regime, the rapes are continuously increasing. They are not able to curb this regressive mentality which people are harboring day by day, who believe that women are second-class citizens. Well, I want to ask BJP government, every time some issue comes up, they always blame Pakistan or some other state. Well, I want to ask them, and they also blame Muslims for being regressive. Well, I want to ask them, they are worse than the backward countries, because look at the staggering amount of rapes that are happening in a peaceful state like Goa. We have never seen such kind of heinous crimes being committed against women. So I want to ask BJP government, what do you want to do? Do you want this type of mentality to progress in the state of Goa?
इतले cases आता गोंयान in terms of women, in terms of molestation. Why there are no CCTV cameras in schools? Why there are no CCTV cameras in colleges? Why there are no CCTV cameras on the streets? Government is not following even A of safety to protect the safety of women. आमचो एक मागणी from Youth Congress that we would want government to inculcate self-defense classes, like just like you have every subject that's been taught in school. I think martial art is one subject that we also need to have for women, on which Madam Manisha Usgaonkar will throw light upon further. But besides that, it is just not about making women independent or making women or teaching them martial arts to defend themselves. No. Here we also talk about the mentality of men, the mentality of guys. The way a woman dresses up